have a lover that's always trying to escape the daily grind. So on today's video, I figured I'd share with you how I achieve a vacation glow all year round. And I was actually on vacation just now when I had filmed this. But anyway, quick and easy. I'm going in with my Milk Foundation primer. Most of these items you can get from Ulta or Sephora. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in really nice so I have a good foundation to set my foundation on. And yeah, girl. Okay. So I added in some light. So I'm going to go in with a moisturizer, DERMA E. I've been using this one. It's a vitamin C and it also has sunscreen. So multi-use, y'all. Okay. So go ahead and just put a few little spots on, not too much. And I've been a Bare Minerals foundation girl for years, but I recently switched to About Face. And it is a dewy foundation. I used to be a matte foundation girl, but y'all, I want my skin to be looking healthy and have a nice glow to it. So About Face is an awesome foundation, and it's only about like $22 at Ulta. So I've been using that. And I'll try to put the information in the description box. I'm going to go in with the Echo Tools foundation brush. I forgot the exact name of this particular style. I sprayed some rose water on the brush and I'm just going to blend it in nicely. Make sure I get the bottom of my chin. And all I'm saying is natural is in. Okay. So you don't need a lot of products, y'all. You don't. I'm telling you. So I'm actually going to be showing you two to three ways you can achieve a natural vacation glow. An actual natural vacation glow look. 3 different ways. So anyway, does that look nice? Look at that, y'all. I've been loving this foundation. So next I'm going to go in with the Morphe their cream blush. It's like a bronzer blush. I'm going to put the information down below in the description box, so be sure to take a look. And the key thing is you do not need a lot. So just put it in, you know, don't be heavy-handed. You can always go and add more if you wish. But then I'm going to go ahead and use the Echo Tools powder brush, and I just want to blend in everything nicely. And this is just a really nice, healthy looking face. Okay, anyway, Morphe, this is their highlighter. I think it's in Money Gold. Not too much. I'm going to just go ahead and put it on my nose. And then along on my cheeks. And y'all, I have big cheeks, okay? So that's my focal point, to just let the light hit those areas. These products are just, they're giving me the glow that I want, okay? This is the vacation glow that I want every day, okay? As I said, I'm always trying to escape the daily grind. So, okay. So you could stop here. Okay, but we're going to go in and add a little bit more color, and this is also an About Face product. It's one of their cream blushes, and I believe you can use this as eyeshadow too, or in your lips, but I'll put it down in the box below. So just adding a little color, adding a little bit more warmth to the skin, but just look at that. It's not greasy. It's just a natural glow, and it's just the light is hitting where it needs to be hitting, okay? And yes, you could definitely stop here, okay? And you have a nice, healthy vacation glow. But we're going to go a step further, okay? So I'm going to use the Morphe 2. This is an eyeshadow palette I have, and I'm just going in with this natural beige, not beige, I guess beige, natural neutral eyeshadow color. Okay, just to add a little satin. And again, when you're on vacation, you, like, I don't know about you, but me, I'm really not trying to be wearing a whole lot of makeup, but if I want to add just a little something, I always like to wear like an eyeliner just to define my eyes, you know, accentuate my eyes. And I've been using the NYX. This is their felt liner. Y'all, I'll put this stuff in the description box. I used to be a L'Oreal girl with their liquid felt pen eyeliner, but I can't really find it anywhere. So I've been using the NYX and it's been working pretty well. So again, you could definitely stop here, but if you want to add a little more, we're going to go ahead and finish up the eyes. And this is the Benefit Girls mascara. Okay, and again, like I said, you could stop here, but we're going to add just something to the lips, okay? And this is it a Morphe? I can't even, girl, I can't even see. I'm editing it. Well, I can't even make it look right. Anyway, it's this beautiful lip gloss. It is beautiful new lip gloss. I think it's Morphe. Anyway, y'all, like I said, I'll put it in the description box. And see, that's an overall nice, healthy looking vacation glow that you can just wear year round. It's natural. I feel like I'm saying natural a lot, but it is. I feel like it's low maintenance. It's not a lot that you have to put into it. And y'all, these are my vacation inspired earrings. Okay, I'm definitely be making some more, but these are my personal pair and I just love them. It is made with the Sari silk fabric, and I just love them, and they're lightweight. And y'all, I forgot to do my eyebrows. So this is the Wet n Wild, their micro brow pencil, which I love, and you can get it from like Target or wherever for like $4, if not less. So I'm just going to finish it up with my eyebrows. And yeah, y'all. And again, like I say, I always say light-handed. You want to be light-handed, especially working with your eyebrows. Do not be heavy-handed. You do not want your brows looking harsh. You just want it to look natural, defined, and put together. Okay? And I love micro brow pencils. Yeah, y'all. So that is a healthy look. But wait. Okay? If you want to add a little some color, okay? Maybe you maybe want a little color on the lips. This is the Revlon, their Limitless Matte Color, Lip Color. Yeah, I forgot. I can't even see on the screen. But anyway, I feel like this is it's a natural lip color, but it's like a rosy terracotta shade, and it's so beautiful. Like, look at that, y'all. And I'm done. So y'all, let me know down below, like, what is your must go-to product that you must wear on vacation, like makeup wise? Let me know down below, and I hope you enjoyed. Okay, I will see you on the next video, y'all. Until next time, live life goals away. Bye, y'all.